Hi friends, welcome to MVS Online Academy. Today we will discuss practice questions on the lesson Challenges of Nation Building from NCERT Class 12th Political Science. Previously we have done a video on the class. Now we are going to discuss practice questions. Question number 1. Which of the following leader gave the speech Thrust with the Destiny? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B is correct. Question number 2. Which of the following are the major goals of independent India? Option A. Democratic elected government. B. Social good for all. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Question number 3. Which of the following are the major challenges in front of independent India? Option A. Keep the nation united. B. Establish democracy. C. Ensure development. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 4. What was the approx percentage of the total population of Muslims in 1951? Option A 15, B 10, C 12, D 20%. Correct answer is C 12%. Question number 5. Approx how many people crossed the border during partition of India and Pakistan? Option A 8 lakhs, B 50 lakhs, C 100 lakh, D 30 lakh. Correct answer is A 80 lakh people transferred the boundaries. Question number 6. Where was Mahatma Gandhi on the eve of independence? Option A Delhi, B Kolkata, C Punjab, D Mumbai. Correct answer is B Kolkata. Question number 7. East Pakistan was carved out of which state? Option A Bengal, B Bihar, C Gujarat, D Punjab. Correct answer is A Bengal. Question number 8. Who played a historic role in negotiating with the rulers of princely states to join the Indian Union? Option A Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B Nehru, C Gandhi, D Ambedkar. Correct answer is A Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 9. On which day Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated? Option A 30th January 1948, B 30th February 1948, C 30th June 48, D 30th July 48. Correct answer is option A 30th January 1948 Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. Question number 10. When did Gandhi take up the last fast? Option A January 1948, B February 1948, C March 47, D September 47. Correct answer is option A January 1948. Question number 11. Two nation theory was supported by which political party? Option A Muslim League, B Congress, C West Congress, D Union Party. Correct answer is option A Muslim League. Next question. How many princely states in India at the time of independence? Option A 450, B 650, C 565, D 528. Correct option is C 565 princely states. Question number 13. Two nation theory was related to which of the following? Option A partition, B independence from British, C economic reform, D security. Correct answer is option A partition of subcontinent. Question number 14. Who was known as Frontier Gandhi? Option A Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B Mahatma Gandhi, C Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, D Sardar Patel. Correct answer is option C Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Next question. Who is referred to as the sunflower giving fakir in a well known poem written by Namdev Basal? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru, B, Ambedkar, C, Mahatma Gandhi, D, Jyotiba Phule. Correct answer is option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 16. Rulers of which state were adverse to join the Constitutional Assembly? Option A, Travancore, B, Hyderabad, C, Bhopal, D, Manipur. Correct answer is option C, Bhopal. Question number 17. The princely state whose territories were merged into India after a plebiscite. Option A, Kashmir, B, Manipur, C, Junagadh, D, Hyderabad. Correct answer is option C, Junagadh. Question number 18. People who have fled their homes because of some reasons but remain within the national borders are called. Option A, migrants, B, internally displaced people, C, immigrants, D, foreigners. Correct answer is option B, internally displaced people. Question number 19. The ruler of Hyderabad was popularly referred as Nizam, Maharaja, Tippu, Iron Man. Correct answer is option A, Nizam. Question number 20. What were the choices given to the princely states by the British? Option A, free to join Pakistan, B, free to join India, C, free to remain independent, D, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 1. Dash was the largest princely state of India. Option A, Manipur, B, Kashmir, C, Hyderabad, D, Junagadh. Correct option is C, Hyderabad. Question number 22. B.R. Ambedkar converted to Buddhism in dash. A, 1950, B, 1952, C, 54, D, 1956. Correct answer is 1956. Question number 23. Rajakars were known as option A, Army of Maharaja of Manipur, B, Paramilitary Forces of Nizam of Hyderabad, C, People's Pressure Group of Kashmir, D, Army of State of Junagadh. Correct answer is option B, Paramilitary Force of Nizam of Hyderabad. Question number 24. A separate state of Punjab and Haryana was created in the year option A, 1952, B, 62, C, 64, D, 1966. Correct answer is 1966. Question number 25. What was the name of the leader who was opposed to the two-nation theory and wanted to form one democratic country? Option A, Rafi Ahmad Kidwai, B, Maulana Azad, C, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, D, Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Correct answer is option C, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question number 26. What was the first state created on linguistic basis in 1953? Option A, Gujarat, B, Maharashtra, C, Andhra State, D, Meghalaya. Correct answer is option C, Andhra State. Question number 27. In 1955, a movie Pather Panchali was directed by Asit Sen, B, Satyajit Ray, C, Manmohan Krishna, D, Harmesh Malhotra. Correct answer is option B, Satyajit Ray. Question number 28. Choose the correct set of objectives of Nehru's foreign policy. Option A, sovereignty, secularism, socialism. B, industrialization, rapid growth, harmonious relation with neighboring countries. C, agricultural growth, planned development and industrialization. D, preserve hard-earned sovereignty, protect territorial integrity and rapid economic development. Correct answer is option D. Question number 29. Under the State Standstill Agreement with India signed in November 1947, the Nizam demanded an independent state for a princely state. What was the name of the state? Option A, Karnataka, B, Andhra Pradesh, C, Tamil Nadu, D, Hyderabad. Correct answer is option D, Hyderabad. Question number 30. Match the following. In list 1, names are given. List 2, their portfolios are given. Correct answer is C. Here, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel, Rajkumari Amrut Kaur. D. Rafi Ahmad Kidwai. Correct option is C. Again, 31 also match the following. Here list 1, states are given. List 2, their formation was given. Correct answer is option A. Again 32 also match the following. Here list 1, years are given. List 2, creation of new states are given. Correct answer is A. Question number 33. The core demand for Vishalandhra movement was option A, adding additional districts in the state of Andhra Pradesh. B, demand for greater employment opportunities in the state of Andhra Pradesh. C, creation of separate state for economic and developmental reasons. D, separate linguistic state for Telugu speaking areas from Madras province and the creation of separate state of Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question number 34. Which of the following statements regarding the emergency is not correct? Option A. The High Court passed a judgment declaring Indira Gandhi's election to the Lok Sabha invalid. B. There was threat of internal and external disturbances. C. Jaiprakash Narayan organized a nationwide satyagraha in Delhi. D. The political mood of the country had turned against the Congress. Correct option is B. There was a threat of internal and external disturbances. Here you observe it is asked not correct. Question number 35. Arrange the following events related to the creation of new states in chronological order. Here states are given. A. Demarcation of boundaries of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Formation of Andhra Pradesh. Creation of Himachal Pradesh. D. Formation of Maharashtra. E. Formation of Meghalaya. C. First one, boundaries of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, that is in year 2000. Formation of Andhra state in 1953. C. Creation of Himachal Pradesh on the basis of geographical zones, that is in 1966. Next, formation of Maharashtra and Gujarat 1960. Formation of Meghalaya 1970. So that correct answer is option A. Question number 36. Which among the following statements about the partition is incorrect? Here question asked incorrect. Partition of India was the outcome of the two-nation theory. B. Punjab and Bengal were the two provinces divided on the basis of religion. C. East Pakistan and West Pakistan were not contiguous. D. The scheme of partition included a plan for a transfer of population across the border. Correct answer is D. Question number 37. The first state of India to hold elections based on universal adult franchise. Option A. Maharashtra. B. Kerala. C. Rajasthan. D. Manipur. Correct answer is D. Manipur. Question number 38. Take a current political map of India and mark the location of the following princely states. You have to mark these four princely states on Indian map. A. Junagadh. B. Manipur. C. Mysore. D. Gwalior. Take map and mark it. Question number 39. Which of the following cities saw some of the worst communal riots during partition? Option A. Bengaluru and Chennai. B. Amritsar and Kolkata. C. Jaipur and Lucknow. D. Surat and Pune. Correct answer is B. Amritsar and Kolkata. Question number 40. The term division of hearts is used to describe A. Economic partition. B. Emotional impact of partition. C. Political division of states. D. Cultural integration. Correct option is B. Emotional impact of partition. Question number 41. Which princely state's accession was opposed by its ruler but supported by the majority of the population? Correct answer is option D, Junagadh. Question number 42. Hyderabad was facing internal revolt because of option A, Rajakars, B, Naxalites, C, Shah Commission, D, Communist Party. Correct option is A, Rajakars. Next question. The S.K. Dhar Commission recommended linguistic states, B, administrative convenience over language, C, creation of tribal states, D, division of India into 10 states. Correct answer is option B, administrative convenience rather language. Question number 44. JVP committee included all except A, Jawaharlal Nehru, B, Sardar Patel, C, Pattabhi Sitaramaiah, D, Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is D, Babu Rajendra Prasad. Question number 45. Potti Sriramulu fasted to demand dash. A, Telangana, B, Andhra State, C, United Maharashtra, D, Goa liberation. Correct answer is option B, Andhra State. Question number 46. States Reorganization Act was passed in the year option A, 1950, B, 52, C, 56, D, 62. Correct answer is 1956. Question number 47. The instrument of accession was related to E, economic treaty. Option A, economic treaties, B, joining princely states to the Indian Union, C, conducting general elections, D, organizing linguistic states. Correct answer is option B, joining princely states to Indian Union. Question number 48. States Reorganization Act 1956 created option A, 10 states, B, 14 states and 6 union territories, C, 18 states, D, only union territories. Correct answer is option B, 14 states and 6 union territories. Next question. Which committee opposed linguistic reorganization of states initially? Option A, Fazl Ali Commission, B, JVP Committee, C, Sarkaria Commission, D, S.K. Dhar Commission. Our answer is B, JVP Committee. Question number 50. Hyderabad was integrated into India through option A, referendum, B, military operation known as Operation Polo. It is called as police action. C, peace settlement, D, plebiscite. Correct answer is option B, Operation Polo. Question number 51. Emergency was declared in India in 1975 under article option A, 350, B, 356, C, 352, D, 360. Correct answer is article 352, emergency. Question number 54. Which amendment is known as the mini constitution of India? Option A, 24th Amendment, B, 42nd Amendment, C, 44th Amendment, D, 61st Amendment. Correct answer is 42nd Amendment Act, option B. Question number 53. The major reason for the rise of Naxalite movement. Option A, linguistic issues, B, tribal land alienation, C, language imposition, D, urban unemployment. Correct answer is option B, tribal land alienation. Question number 54. Congress dominance in early elections was due to option A, lack of opposition, B, contribution in freedom struggle, C, strong leadership, D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 55. Assertion, integration of princely state was a big challenge after independence. Reason, more than 500 princely states existed. Correct answer is option A. A and R both are correct. R is correct explanation of A. Question number 56. Linguistic reorganization of states helped strengthen national unity. Reason, it promoted regional identity over national identity. Correct answer is option C. A is correct but R is wrong. 57. Assertion, 1956 was a milestone in Indian federalism. Reason, it marked the formation of states based on language. Correct answer is option A. A and R both are correct. R is correct explanation. Question number 58. Fazl Ali Commission recommended reorganization based on religion. B. Reorganization based on linguistic basis. C. Reorganization based on caste identity. D. No reorganization of states. Correct answer is option B. Reorganization based on linguistic basis. Question number 59. The 44th Amendment Act aimed to strengthen emergency powers, restore democratic rights weakened by 42nd Amendment Act. C. Remove directive principles. D. Abolish the Supreme Court. Correct answer is B. Restore democratic rights weakened by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. Question number 60. Which state faced continued influx of refugees post-partition for decades? Option A. Gujarat. B. West Bengal. C. Punjab. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is West Bengal. Option B. Question number 61. Reasoning and assertion question. Assertion. Emergency 1975 to 77 suspended fundamental rights. Reason. Article 352 allows special powers to the Government of India. Correct answer is option A. A and R both are correct. R is correct explanation of A. Question number 62. Statement 1. JVP committee rejected creation of linguistic states. Statement 2. They believed it would weaken national unity just after independence. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are correct. Question number 63. The Communist Party gained prominence in which early state elections? Option A. Punjab. B. West Bengal. C. Kerala. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Kerala. Question number 64. Which amendment is known for weakening fundamental rights and strengthening bureaucracy? Option A. 24th Amendment. B. 42nd Amendment. C. 44th Amendment. D. 52nd Amendment. Correct answer is B. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. Question number 65. Which leader launched a movement against Indira Gandhi's government leading to emergency? Option A. L.K. Advani. B. Potti Sriramulu. C. Jaiprakash Narayan. D. Ram Manohar Lohia. Correct answer is option C. Jaiprakash Narayan. Question number 66. During emergency, which of the following was suspended? Press freedom, right to protest, fundamental rights. Option D is correct, all of the above. Question number 67. The main accusation in Rajnarayan case was related to option A. Corruption in banks, election rigging, tax evasion by cabinet. D. Emergency declaration. Correct answer is option B. Election rigging. Question number 68. Opposition alliance during emergency period was popularly called National Front. B. Janata Movement. C. Total Revolution Movement. D. UPA Alliance. Correct answer is option C. Total Revolution Movement. Question number 69. India's democratic spirit remained strong even during challenges because option A. Free elections continued. People resisted authoritarianism. C. Bureaucracy bounced back post-emergency. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Question number 70. Maharaja Hari Singh signed the instrument of accession for option A. Hyderabad. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Manipur. D. Travancore. Correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this class. I hope that these questions are helpful to you. Thank you. Keep watching.